So hello everyone, now we are going to discuss the next topic, that is classifications of the game. In the last video we have seen that the classifications of the follower, in which we have classified followers into four categories according to the surface in contact. Okay, and now we are going to discuss the next, that is classifications of the game. Okay, what are the possibilities for the game, we will see. So first I'm going to consider plane or disc game. Okay, plane or disc game, it is not about the shape of the game. Let me tell you what it means. So the first is plane. Plane, it is also known as radial, it is also known as disc game. Okay, so first type is plane, radial or disc cam. So what this means, that axis of rotation of the cam is perpendicular to the line of motion of the follower. If you are not able to understand, let me draw the diagram, then it would be easy. See, this is our cam, this is our follower. Okay, like that. And now if I'm talking about the cam, it would be like that. Okay, see here, this is the cam and this is the follower. What I'm going to say, that the plane, radial or disc cam means when the axis of the follower is perpendicular to the axis of the cam. Axis of the cam is perpendicular to the plane of paper, like that. It is perpendicular to the plane of paper. So basically both are perpendicular to each other. Okay, they are having 90-degree angle. So when the axis of the rotation of cam, axis of rotation of cam and line of motion of follower, line of motion of follower, both are perpendicular to each other, then we call it is the plane, radial or disc cam. Is it clear to everyone? So this is the first type of cam. In the second type of cam, this is the cylindrical cam. This is cylindrical, or you can say cylinder cam. Cylindrical cam. What it means, that the axis of rotation of the cam and the line of motion of the follower are parallel. In the previous one, we have seen that the axis of rotation of the cam and the line of motion of the follower are perpendicular, but in case of cylindrical, both are parallel. If you see the diagram, it would be like that. So this is our cam. This is our cam. So you can see here that how axis of the cam, axis of rotation of the cam are parallel to the line of motion of follower. It would be like that. So this is what I'm going to draw. It is a cam. Okay, so this is the basically also known as it is cam. And if I'm talking about the follower, it would be here. So you can see that easily, you can easily see that you can easily see that the line of motion of follower, the line of motion of follower, line of motion of follower, line of motion of follower and axis of rotation of cam, axis of rotation of cam, both are parallel. Can you feel that? This is the axis of rotation of the cam. This is the axis of rotation of the cam is always being rotating element, and this is the line of motion of follower. So both are parallel to each other, so that's why we call it as a cylindrical cam. Is it clear to everyone? And the third type is wedge cam. The third is wedge cam. Have you seen how wedge looks like? It would be like that. So this is our wedge cam that will move like that. This is wedge cam. Okay, and there is a follower. I'm going to apply the roller follower here. We have seen that the characteristics of the roller follower. Okay, so basically it is a wedge cam. Is it clear? So these are the classifications of the cam that we have seen. So I hope you will understand this whole concept and the important points of the cams. Okay, in the next video we will see the important characteristics or the terminology of the cam. Okay, so thank you for watching that video.